So how do you use the Microsoft Teams on the iPhone? Let me generally guide you through the way it works. Let's get started. If it's your first time here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the quick guides and tutorials like this one. Anyways, you have to, technically you don't even have to get the Microsoft Teams app because you can also check it out through the web version. You can literally just go to the Microsoft Teams and temporarily use it through the web version. So if you really don't want to download anything, you could join a call through the web interface if you wanted to, even though I personally recommend you to use the app. So then when you download the app from the App Store, it's free, of course. You have two options. You can either sign in with your Microsoft account or, create one from scratch, or join a meeting as a guest, right? So if you click on a join a meeting button at the bottom, you will be presented with a page to type in the meeting ID as well as passcode, provided by someone else, of course, the person you want to connect with, and you can just type that in and join as a guest. So you don't have like a profile within the app, but you can temporarily join the meetings, right? You don't have to have like an account. But if you intend on using it like intensively or, on a regular basis, then it would make sense to get an account. So you have to create one, and then it's gonna, keep the log of all of the calls, and you will see some specific things like your settings and all of the other stuff. And most importantly, the ability to create your own meetings, because without the account, you can only join the existing meetings, but with an account, you can even create your own ones. So that is like the whole blueprint behind that. Like if you already are part of a call, then the regular features like the microphone access and a camera and the backgrounds and effects are present as usual, just like in any other meeting software. So if you want to, you can check out some other videos about the app on this channel. I have a couple of tutorials, but as I said, if you want to stay tuned, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss the upcoming videos where perhaps I can explain something more about your phone. And yeah, thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.